Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Given our weekly updates around the Denver metro area. Currently active, just over 6,500. Again, just a slight drop from the prior weeks. Typically in the fall, it falls off a little bit more, but again, we're still at extremely low inventory, so don't really expect it to drop too much really for the rest of the year. Newly listed 1,400, again, just a very slight drop from last week. Closed 1,600, that was a little bit of a drop. And pending 2,300, so again, right in line with last week. Rates dipped down just a tad with the from Freddie Mac at 2.99, but with things going this week, I would expect it going up. Inflation numbers came out today, consumer price index they call it. That was a little bit higher, so would expect rates to go tick up a little bit from that. So yeah, market's still strong. Still time good to make changes if you're looking at it. Following up on one of the articles I shared of the 111,000 reasons you should be buying a home. Just forecasted out the equity increase that can happen in the next 5 years. If you buy now, of course, the estimate they use is a $350,000 house. So around here, that's not realistic. Our prices are more in the 450 to 500. But using that same math, let's just say on a $500,000 home, it's almost 160,000 over that same period, using those same rates. So it's average. Their guesstimate is averaging about 6% a year, a little bit higher now, and then tapering off, as I've been talking about. Won't continue to see the double digits, so it'll get back into that 3-4% range, which is pretty steady. So buying a home, that's a great investment over the long term. Obviously, things can happen year to year, as we saw with 2004-05, looked like a good time, and then had the crash in 7, 8, 9, and took a while to recover out of that. But if you bought in that 10, 11, 12 time frame, it's looking great right now, that 10 years later. So that can happen again. Get into the market and start building that equity. Great vehicle for your finances. So yeah, if you have any questions on that or know anybody looking to buy or sell, definitely reach out. Have a good week. Talk later. Bye.